Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to log in to the My Boston Student Portal step by step. If you're a student and want to access your academic resources, follow these simple instructions. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official portal website at https://portal.myboston.co.za. Once the page has loaded, you'll be greeted with the login screen. On the login page, enter your student number or username in the designated field. After that, type in your password. Make sure both are correct, as the system won't allow you to log in if there's an error. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields and follow the instructions to reset your password. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your student portal. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be able to view important academic details, grades, assignments, and more. You're now ready to navigate the portal and make the most of your student resources. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.